Ever heard of Beam? This cryptocurrency, known for its focus on privacy, has intrigued many. But here's the burning question: can you actually cash out your hard-earned Beam coins? Let's dive in and find out. The good news is, yes, you can cash out from Beam. But like most cryptocurrencies, it involves a few steps. Here's the general process. Find a suitable exchange. Beam is a relatively niche cryptocurrency. You'll need to find a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Beam trading. Some popular options include KuCoin, known for its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Bittrex, another reputable exchange with Beam trading pairs. Important note: always thoroughly research and choose a reputable exchange. Deposit your Beam. Once you've selected an exchange, you'll need to transfer your Beam coins from your Beam wallet to your exchange wallet. This process typically involves copying and pasting your exchange's unique deposit address into your Beam wallet. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to reflect in your exchange account. Trade Beam for a stablecoin. To easily cash out, it's generally recommended to trade your Beam for a stablecoin. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to a stable asset like the US dollar, e.g., USDT, USDC. This minimizes price fluctuations that can occur while waiting to withdraw. Withdraw to your bank account. Most exchanges allow you to withdraw your stablecoin balance to your linked bank account. The withdrawal process may vary depending on the exchange. Follow the exchange's instructions carefully and ensure you have provided the correct bank account details. Tips and considerations. Security: always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on both your Beam wallet and your exchange account. Fees: be mindful of transaction fees. Exchanges may charge fees for deposits, withdrawals, and trades. Regulations: cryptocurrency regulations vary by country. Ensure you are aware of and comply with the relevant laws in your jurisdiction. Price volatility: cryptocurrencies, including Beam, are known for their price volatility. Cash out when you're comfortable with the market conditions. Addressing potential concerns. What if the exchange doesn't support withdrawals to my country? Explore alternative withdrawal methods offered by the exchange, such as bank transfers or peer-to-peer platforms. Are there any tax implications? Cryptocurrency transactions may have tax implications. Consult with a qualified tax professional for guidance. Cashing out from Beam is possible with the right approach. By carefully selecting an exchange, understanding the withdrawal process, and prioritizing security, you can successfully convert your Beam holdings into fiat currency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.